Somewhere in the dark outer edge of our own solar system, there may be a planet 10 times the mass of Earth. A giant world we have never seen, hiding in plain sight, right in our cosmic backyard. We can't see it, but we think we can feel it. Because something out there is pulling on the most distant objects we know, tugging them into a pattern that shouldn't exist by chance. An invisible hand out in the dark. This is the hunt for Planet 9, the greatest detective story in modern astronomy, a world we've never photographed, whose existence we've inferred entirely from the gravity it leaves behind. Stay to the end, because the leading alternative explanation is even stranger than a hidden planet. It starts, like all good mysteries, with a clue that didn't add up. Far beyond Neptune lies a frozen frontier of icy worlds, the Kuiper Belt. In 2016, two astronomers noticed something bizarre. A handful of the most distant objects out there all had stretched, elongated orbits pointing the same way in space, like clock hands frozen at the same hour. And it wasn't just their direction. Those same distant orbits were all tilted the same way too, leaning out of the flat plane where every planet circles the sun. Two separate, strange alignments stacked on top of one another. One object gave the very first hint years earlier, a frozen dwarf world called Sedna. It never comes anywhere near the giant planets. Yet long ago, something enormous flung it onto a wildly stretched orbit. Something out there had reached in and touched it. That shouldn't happen. Over billions of years, those orbits should have drifted into a random jumble. Instead, they were herded, clustered together as if something massive was shepherding them, keeping them in line with its gravity. The astronomers ran the numbers. The odds of that alignment happening by pure chance were about 1 in 15,000. Either we were looking at a wild coincidence, or there was a hidden planet out there quietly conducting the whole orchestra. 1 in 15,000, or one hidden world. So astronomers built a profile of their suspect, and it's a giant. To herd those orbits, Planet 9 would need to be big, around 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth. That makes it a super-Earth or a mini-Neptune, the single most common type of planet in the galaxy, and yet, embarrassingly, one our own solar system was thought to be missing. It would be a bleak, frozen world. Its surface would sit hundreds of degrees below zero, lit by a sun so distant it shines 600 times fainter than the daylight we know. Barely more than a bright star. A planet in near total night. But it's staggeringly far away. It would orbit hundreds of times farther from the sun than the Earth does. So distant that a single trip around the sun could take 10 to 20,000 years. Out there, the sun would be just another bright star in a pitch-black sky. The scale is almost impossible to picture. If Earth's orbit were the size of a coin, Planet 9's orbit would be wider than a football stadium. It is out in a part of our solar system we've barely begun to map. And that distance is exactly why we haven't found it. Out in that darkness so far from the sun, it would reflect almost no light back to us. It's not that it's invisible, it's that it's unimaginably faint, a dark speck lost against a sky full of stars. It's not hiding, it's just incredibly hard to see. But where would such a planet even come from? There are 3 suspects. 1. It was born here, near the giant planets, and then flung outward. In the chaos of the young solar system, Jupiter and Saturn were gravitational bullies. They could have grabbed a growing planet and hurled it into the deep freeze of the outer dark, never to return. The astronomers who proposed all this have an ironic history. One of them, Mike Brown, is the very man whose discoveries got Pluto demoted from a planet. Now he's hunting for a real 9th world, one that might restore our solar system's count. 2, we stole it. Stars are born in crowded clusters, brushing past one another. Our young sun may have plucked a rogue planet from a passing star or captured a free-floating world drifting through the galaxy, adopting an orphan into our family. 3. It formed right where it is, slowly, in the frozen quiet of the outer solar system. Each origin story tells us something different about how our own home was built, which is exactly why finding it would be such a big deal. Born here, stolen, or homegrown, each answer rewrites our history. So how do you find a planet you can't see? You go hunting for a moving shadow. The search is brutally hard. Planet 9 could be almost anywhere along a huge arc of sky, and it inches along so slowly that from night to night it barely seems to move at all. Astronomers have been scanning for years, and so far, nothing. The trick is motion. Stars stay fixed, but a planet slowly creeps against them, night after night. Astronomers photograph huge patches of sky again and again, then hunt for the single dim dot that moved, a needle of movement in a haystack of a billion stars. And a powerful new eye is about to join the search, the Vera Rubin Observatory. It will scan the entire southern sky every few nights, mapping billions of objects. If Planet 9 is out there and bright enough, this telescope has a real chance of catching it within the next few years. But not everyone is convinced. Some astronomers argue the whole pattern is a mirage, a trick of where we happen to aim our telescopes, not a real planet at all. The debate is fierce, and only one thing will settle it: actually seeing the world with our own eyes. So the hunt goes on, night after night, telescope after telescope, a slow, patient race to catch a faint moving dot before someone else does. Somewhere in that data, the 9th planet may already be hiding, waiting for the right person to notice. The net is closing. If it's there, we'll find it. But what if it isn't a planet at all? Here's where it gets strange. Some scientists proposed a wild alternative. What if the gravity out there isn't coming from a planet, but from a primordial black hole? A relic from the Big Bang, no bigger than a grapefruit, but with the mass of 10 Earths silently drifting at the edge of our system. Primordial black holes are still purely hypothetical. No one has ever confirmed a single one exists. But if Planet 9 turned out to be one, it would be a discovery for the ages. Proof of a whole hidden class of objects born in the very first instance after the Big Bang. It sounds absurd, but it would produce the exact same gravitational tug, and it would be even harder to spot, giving off no reflected light at all. Astronomers have even proposed sending tiny probes to tell the two apart by how their gravity pulls. Either way, the lesson is humbling. The solar system is the one corner of the cosmos we know best, the place we call home. And it may still be hiding something the size of a giant planet right under our noses, in the dark. A planet or a piece of the Big Bang? We don't know which. So tonight, the mystery is still open. Right now, as you watch this, there may be a giant world, or something stranger, drifting silently through the darkness at the edge of everything we call home. We have mapped it with math, profiled it with physics, and felt its gravity in the orbits of distant ice. We just haven't laid eyes on it. Not yet. The 9th planet, waiting to be found. So what do you think is really out there? A hidden super-Earth, a tiny black hole, or nothing at all? Tell me below and subscribe. The day we find it, you'll want to be here.